In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address for your Stan Store account. By following these steps, you will successfully update your email information to ensure you receive important notifications and updates. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store website. Once you are on the home page, look for the option to log in. Enter your credentials, including your username and password, and click the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will see a left sidebar on your dashboard. Locate the option labeled Settings within this sidebar. Clicking on Settings will direct you to the My Account Settings page. Once the My Account Settings page loads, you will be positioned on the Profile section. This section contains various details about your account, including your personal information and settings. Scroll down until you find the email field listed under My Profile. This field displays your current email address. Click inside the email field to highlight the existing address. Replace the existing email address with your new email address. Ensure that you enter the new email correctly to avoid any issues with account notifications. After updating your email address, look for the button labeled Update at the bottom of the page. Click on Update to save your changes. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully updated. Keep in mind that changing your email address may require you to verify the new email. Check your inbox for any verification emails from Stan Store to confirm the update. Additionally, ensure that your new email address is one you frequently check to avoid missing important communications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.